I come fully dressed in chrome on the hood. Spirit of ecstasy.
He's thinking.
Okay everyone, now before we get to today's video, we gotta thank today's sponsor who has been single-handedly holding up my pants for the last 5 years. Yes, I shit you not, the last 5 years. And that is Anson Belts. Anson Belts is a holeless belt micro adjustability system. It has 30 different options of 1/4 inch adjustment. So essentially, one size fits all. When you get your set of belts, you can cut them to size and then you can adjust them accordingly to what fits your waist the best. This way it fits your exact waist, not too tight or too loose. You can also mix and match the different belts and buckles that you receive. Anson Belts come with a lifetime guarantee. They have amazing customer service and they're family owned. Hurry and click the link in the description down below to get the box of 3 straps and 2 buckles, or 3 buckles and 2 straps. That's 6 belt combos for under $100. Doesn't get any better. And for a limited time, guys, and only using our link in the description down below, you can get a 6-piece box set for the price of a 5-piece. Don't miss out, click the link in the description down below. So guys, I'm gonna save you a whole bunch of time. Just check our link in the description down below, get yourself a set today, and I promise you, you're not gonna regret getting a set of these. And I'll be honest with you, you're probably not gonna buy another belt again, because these are so nice, they're so durable, and they're so well made. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the rest of the video.
Now you sat one of these before, right?
I've never sat one, I've never started one, I've never done anything.
All right.
So that's perfect racing position. Right there. This one I know how to start. So fast. Oh. I'd rather be driving this than a 918 any day of the week.
And then break a mile before. Oh, this van. Holy sh**.
Damn.
That was a good downshift.
Did you hear that?
That was a good one.
Right?
Low?
I mean, look where the.
Yeah.
I mean, comparative. Look at the you know, the nose on this.
Oh yeah.
Where,
Oh.
You know, even though that's slant hood, but look where it is compared if it's on my knees. This thing's at my middle shin. Almost. What, no time tag? Let's go. No? Not even a little bit?
See if the doors will clear.
Yep, I got it. Don't worry.
Yeah, you're good.
Can you open
Yeah, they're
this
probably
one?
pretty smart about it.
Yeah, we shuffle the cars around here a lot, so that's why, you know, sometimes they're a little too close for comfort, but they usually got it down to a science. It's super heavy. So crazy how heavy the doors are on these cars.
Oh, here it is. Here we go. Here we go. Right there. Right there.
Gotta get a little tattoo, a little bit of smirk on the car.
This is one of my favorite cars to hear just flying by because it
Oh,
just
yeah.
sounds so unique comparatively. Like it's,
Well,
it sounds like a hybrid, but in a good way.
let's talk stats.
Yeah, go for it.
0 to 60, 2.4 seconds.
Yep.
With all of the horsepower on, with the electric engines, 950 horsepower.
Yeah.
A 9.8 quarter mile, 220 top speed,
Mm-hmm.
and one expensive monthly car payment.
You read the brochure.
So this is a 2014,
Yeah.
as all laws are. It's
Yeah.
the hard tops.
Right.
So what's great is it's still old school. You still got to turn the key. All your bells and whistles start up. Whole pedal box moves. Yeah, I know where. In front of the seat, there should be a handle.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I didn't spend enough time on this the last time
Yep.
and play around with it a little more. Now let me throw this door down.
Go for it. Love those mirrors.
A little more.
Go for it. He's thinking. He's thinking.
Thinking face.
He's got. Oh yeah, he's got that thinking face.
knob looks cool. Steering wheel's pretty alright.
Yeah.
This is the worst glove box of any car. This is worse than the Lambo, even though the Lambo doesn't even have one. This has enough to hold a cassette.
That's the glove box.
That's the glove. Look at it. Here's my phone.
Oh my lord.
Here's my
Look
phone.
at that.
It won't fit. Oh, wait, it fits. That's it.
Like
Mono
that.
wiper.
It doesn't have a mono wiper. Okay, well then, I guess that's all. That's everything you need to know.
I know. The only reason I buy cars is for mono wipers.
Uh-oh. He's on the phone with John.
Up, FaceTime.
See what that says, right?
Well, you can just get the paperwork ready, I guess. Because you know, you've seen our videos. You know how this goes.
I think it's a good car for Andy. I think you have a lot of fun
It's
in
a
it.
cool switch up, especially because, you know, we've had every kind of Lambo under the sun, modern one anyway, it seems like. Yo. What's up, man?
Well, you good?
What do you think?
How are you guys?
I think it sucks. I think it's not worth $1.5 million. Let's go.
Stop
Right
it.
to
Well,
Bill
that's
first.
only because it has a Ferrari logo on it.
Hey, John, I'll call you back.
Well, he's already FaceTiming people, so I told Jason you can kind of get the paperwork. He hasn't given them the key back.
The car's beautiful. I come fully dressed in chrome on the hood. Spirit of ecstasy.
The spirit of Brett. The spirit of David. The black wheels are awesome. Yeah, I said it. I said it.
Funny, he says the black wheels are awesome. What? So I like it with the black wheels.
The setup is on point. Listen, out of the big three, between this, a P1, and a
Oh.
918, this takes #1 kick.
A 918 is amazing and can take all the abuse and do all that. And it's super cool, but it's not a Ferrari. And it's not the shape, it's not the this, it's not that, but it's also half the price.
When you think about what else came out in 2014, what was even
Pagani.
close to this?
The Huayra.
You know? Like, the Huayra, yeah.
As a piece of art, yes, 100%. Like, when you look at this in aesthetics with the LaFerrari, 1000%. I agree with you on the 918.
In 14, I think there's nothing else hyper-ish car that's
Yeah.
come out.
There's certain elements of the car that, to me, are just incredible. First, just from standing right here, how the monocoque of the car actually curves itself in like
Oh,
a
yeah.
Formula 1
Oh,
car
yeah.
is...
You would think that that
Incredible.
cockpit is really small, but it
No, it
actually,
actually has a lot of
because
room.
the pedal space really gets you
Yes.
good. I mean, it's perfect.
Totally agree.
Day of the storm.
Holy sh!
Oh yeah.
That's packed.
That's how close I was to losing my shit.
Oh,
Dude.
That's terrifying.
How long did it take to do that?
It's actually done. But let me tell
hour?
you, our team, I swear to God, our guys
Yeah, everybody wanted to go home.
lived and bred through storms, rainfall.
Is that what I think it is?
Yes, but here's the
What
problem.
is this?
It's my model, but it has the ugly silver wheels on it. Alright, I'll talk to you soon.
See you
Thanks.
soon,
Let me
dude.
know tomorrow. I'll be
Bye,
around.
nice
See you,
seeing
man.
you.
Bye. Let me know.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
There we go.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Well, hi.
So what did you think?
What did I think of the? That car's
Leave it at that.
Yeah, I mean, it's an amazing car. I think it's kind of cool that we could actually end up buying a Ferrari like that
I mean, hey,
without having to go through all the rigmarole of buying every other Ferrari to get the Ferrari.
Exactly.
Like that. What's funny is that when the car, I think when the car was new, it was like 1.4.
yeah, something around there.
And now we're what, about $1 million more. So I think by the time you had to buy all the other Ferraris, that the Ferraris that never appreciated value, I think I'm actually going to break even.